The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a Satire, Part 8. Thew Ascendant is known for his disdain for proper procedure and his tendency to cut corners. In rugby, he takes the ball and runs before the referee can even indicate a penalty. He is not a procedure guy, you see. He doesn't like rules. He thinks he's above the law, so to speak. Louis, human resources, is clueless about his antics. But William, follow procedure, is not. He's always ready to throw the book at Thew, just waiting for him to slip up and make a mistake. But let's be real, Thew doesn't worry about mistakes. He believes he can do whatever he wants, whenever he wants. He drinks a cuppa outside of tea time, gets pissed at work, and thinks a little knock-on in rugby is not the same as a big knock-on. Oh, Thew, when will you learn that rules are there for a reason? But then again, who needs rules when you have Thew Ascendant around?